Let's see. Whoa, you fucking scared me. Holy shit. So yeah, we have a really good start so far. I just fucking stealing a base. I feel bad though. I mean, you really shouldn't just go offline with just a lock on your base. That's just really risk. Dizzle apparently is gonna get on tomorrow, or late tonight, I think. Actually, he said I'll probably play it tonight after I get home around midnight. We will get a base going unless you get one before I get home. We will raid tomorrow night. So he's confident. He's confident that we're gonna fuck some bitches up.
He's also confident in that dick of his, but you don't see him fucking many bitches.
Oh, well, alright, that roast. Oh, we're progressing splendidly. If I can fucking talk. Kill me.
English.
Kill me. English, my dude.
Please stop.
You're just jealous, boy. I can speak the rice language. Here's your spear. Here's your hatchet. You're stuck?
Yeah.
Where?
In the cave.
In the why are you in the cave, dude? All right.
Yeah,
Like
I was mining.
In the cave that's like closest to us.
Yeah.
All right. I'll find you. There you go. All right. I'm here. Do you hear me?
I'm below you.
What the fuck? So there's absolutely no way out of that.
No, there's absolutely no way.
That's fucking ripped, dude.
Oh.
Actually, that could work. That could work if I jumped over there. Alright, I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna do it. Oh, got it! Alright, your spear.
Sec. There.
Oh no! Oh no!
Fuck.
Oof! Oh fuck! Oof! There's never a whole lot of memeing going on right now. Makes me sad on the inside.
We're not dying any. Good job, but I'm still sad. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. Memeing 90% of the time involves us dying.
Yeah. Well.
I think I've depleted this mine.
Well, good for you, man. You can just come back up and hopefully you can take.
Shut the hell. No.
What?
I thought you were about to say, hopefully you don't lose it this time.
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna be that much of a dick, but I hope you don't lose it this time.
You're an ass. Hey, I've got a whopping 6 subs, thank you.
Wow, what a pro.
And all those subs are from my competitive MLG days, so you know, subscribe to cdrdr at youtube.com.
You know I'm gonna not keep that in, right? You know what? I'm gonna keep that in, like the Wheeze.
No, that's copyrighted. That's copyrighted.
Oh, that's copyrighted.
It's copyrighted.
CDR Wheeze. I don't even know how you have the lung capacity to do that.
Let me see how long I can keep it up for.
What the fuck?
I'm lightheaded after that one. I'm seeing stars.
Oh my god, there's a random guy trying to get me.
I was gonna swing, but then I stopped because I'm not a dick like custom. I got good eyes. As I
gotta spot them shivs all keistered up the inmate's butt, like you just see some perking out a little bit in the butt, like, hey, sexy, looks like you got something sticking out your butt there.
Here,
yeah, I'm gonna.
I brought you presents.
Brought me presents. I don't see a pipe.
Oh, no pipe in there. Uh oh.
Oh,
No
pipes! No pipes! Worthless!
I just mined like between 15
I
and
don't
20
care
cups.
if you mine 15k, 20k, a box of fucking stone. I need me pipes!
What I'm trying to say is, I just mined.
What I'm trying to say is you better give me some pipes right now, boy. You evicted. Show me where the memes are, boys. Show me the memes.
Come on. Oh, by the way, let's all marvel at my hemp farm real quick. Take a good sniff.
Take a good sniff. Alright. Whoa.
I told you.
That's a lot of greenery.
Okay, come on.
I elect myself to be the one to get the juicy loot since I'm recording.
Oh my god, I was the one that's such a... Fine.
Alright, I'm up here. Alright, Chop, get up. Look at you, Chop, you're such a pro. Ooh, juice! Cupboard. Oh, a bit of 1,000 more.
When you come over this hill, you're gonna think, oh.
Oh.
And then you're gonna see the big cupboard messing us up.
Wow, that's a really nice looking area.
Do you want to help me curate this base up here on the hill?
Yeah, sure, where?
It's right up here. He's
I'm on
crouching
the
towards
foundations.
us.
He's white
crouching.
naked.
No. He's crouching towards us. He's behind the house. He's behind that tree right there.
Oh, I see him. He's
I know he's not naked. I'm pushing. You.
He hit me. Hit him?
Oh, he's got him. We need help. We need help.
Oh, motherfucker, he headshot me.
We need help.
Oh, this is space.
Where?
Yo, he'll come out eventually.
Oh.
I changed it!
You did? You have it?
Yeah. We have his front door code. Like it, dude.
Alright, well, that's right. Let's just go home.
Alright.
We have loot. We got some good loot from that guy, though. I don't know why he had that much on him.
I didn't think he had that much.
He had like a couple K wood.
And I see. And I see. And I see. And I see right through you, right through you.
Hennessy's got me live a mixture. Let me paint a vivid picture. You're a dog, you're a hound, man, a body had a fine line, have a pound, and you're known around the town, right? Still hurting from your